Today's video is going to be just a little different. I actually have a sponsor. And by sponsor, I mean they provided these bulbs for free for me to test, which is amazing. So thank you to AUXITO for sending me all these bulbs to test. Now these I actually bought with my own money because I really like their products. I've had really good luck with them. These little LEDs are fantastic. These little 194s. They're fantastic. I've got the red, white, and I've got the amber right here. So let me kind of do an overview of what we got here. So for the front turn signals, they have sent me their 54H style bulbs. And they actually sent me several of the 54H style. That's the one you're seeing here. So the big deal with these is they're supposed to be, of course, brighter than your standard halogen. They'll turn on and off instantly. They're going to use less power if that's of concern to you. And of course, they're going to be really easy to install as they'll fit in the exact socket, 3156/3157 application. And they do have various colors such as amber, white, and red. And they sell them in other sizes as well, not just 3157 blade. They sell 1157, 2057, so on. They actually have a whole list of what they sell right here on the back. Excuse me, 2357 is what I meant to say. Yeah, you've got quite a few options. You can even put these in your old car, and that's what I like about these. They're really versatile, they're really inexpensive, and I do like that they don't have a cooling fan on them. But the one thing they don't have is a built-in resistor. So if you use one of these, you will have to put your own load resistor in. Now, I don't find that to be a big deal. Honestly, this is really my favorite pick. I really like this one. It's not as bright as the next one I'm going to show you, but it's just real simple, and I've never had one of these fail, and I've used them in several of my vehicles that I've bought with my own money. Now, this next one, which we'll be using in the rear turn signal, is the 4K P8 style. And the big deal with this one is it actually has a built-in load resistor, has a little cooling fan there as well. It's also supposed to provide good CAN bus coverage if your vehicle has CAN bus, which mine does not. But if it does, it's supposed to be compatible with that so you don't get a warning light saying your bulb's out on the dash. I guess that maybe it's because it has a resistor built in, but it's not supposed to give you a warning. And as far as I'm aware, this is their brightest offering, and they are very bright. You'll see in a few minutes in the video. These things are absolutely insane. They are crazy bright. Now these, again, I bought with my own money. You can see I got amber, white, and red. So I put the amber and the red in my roof lights on the truck, which you'll be seeing a lot of in a minute. So these red have a really nice, deep, and rich red color, just like the other bulbs I was showing you. The white are super, super bright, and these are fantastic for license plate lights or interior lights. And these ambers are great for marker lights or little turn signals if you have any that are this small. But these are extremely bright. I'd say about 5 times brighter than a standard halogen. Yes, it's that much of a difference. These things are crazy good. And everything you see is going to be listed in the description. And what's cool is it's actually an affiliate link, so it'll help support the channel if you buy it through that link. So anyway, let's get these installed and I'll show you what these look like as well. Now, I'm installing these on a Hummer H2. So, pretty easy to do on this vehicle. What you're going to want is a T30 Torx bit. Got 2 Torx screws right there. That'll take out this taillight guard if you have it. And then the lens will slide out, but I'll show you how to do that. Torx bits right here. Take them out. And the guard's going to come loose. Now, you're supposed to have some adhesive over here, but mine's kind of failed. So put some double-sided sticky tape here if you want. 3M makes that. Now to remove this lens, what you're going to do is grab the whole thing and kind of pull it this way once you get it pulled out. Because it has these little grippers right here. This one's broken, but the little gripper slides into here and then you kind of push it in and put the bolts in. Now that you're looking at your bulbs, you've got your brake, turn signal, reverse light here. All you got to do is take your socket, turn it a quarter turn, and there are all your bulbs right there. And all you have to do, pull the bulb out. This is the LED I'm using in the turn signal. You just push it in to install it and then put it back in the socket. But I want to do the comparison first, so I'm going to leave the halogens in the left side and then we'll compare them to the new LEDs. As for the front turn signal, you just want to open your hood. And as you can see, I've already got the resistor in on this side. I had to re-record this segment, but same deal. Turn the socket, put your bulb in, and then quarter turn. I'll show you how to put that resistor in just a minute. Like I said, I'm going to re-record the segment, but this will have a halogen bulb in it for comparison. Now we're ready to do the comparison of the two. I have the AUXITO 54H on the left and the halogen on the right. And as you can see, the LED is considerably brighter than the halogen is. I'd say we're roughly twice as bright. The low filament on the LED is about as bright as the high filament on the halogen. So we're off to a way better start, and these are just the 54H style. So I'll show you the 4K P8s in a minute. I've got those on the rear turn signal. But as you can see, far, far brighter, really good looking lights. And here's the comparison of the high filament AUXITO 54H and standard halogen on the right. You can definitely tell halogen is quite a bit dimmer. AUXITO is quite a bit brighter. And here we are at the back. You can see, got the AUXITO 54H on the right hand side, got the halogen on the left hand side, and again, same situation, we're about twice as bright. The high filament on the halogen is about as bright as the low filament on the LED. Camera is really struggling right now, but I have the brake pedal depressed, and on the right is still the AUXITO LED, and on the left is the halogen. And I would say they're pretty similar actually. Not much brightness difference. I think the one on the right has a better color tone, which doesn't come across on the camera. It's just seeing light blur right now, but if you look real close, a little bit better color tone on the LED, and I'd say it's maybe slightly brighter. Now we're on to my favorite and by far the largest difference on the two. This is the 4K P8 style AUXITO LED, and this is the halogen. It's quite shocking how bright this 4K P8 light is. It is at least 4 times brighter, if not more. If you're wanting the brightest LEDs you can get, I would say these are it. This thing is like a spotlight. It is incredibly bright. It even lights up the ground significantly at night. Yeah, it's about 4 times brighter. You can barely tell that thing's on compared to this one. For our last comparison, I'm going to do the reverse lights. And as you can see, probably 3 or 4 times brighter. These are 54Hs, maybe 3 times brighter. But not only is the brightness better, but the color tone's a lot nicer. This is an actual pure white. This is kind of a yellow halogen look. But yeah, LEDs are way, way better. And here's the final walk around of all the LEDs on the truck. Looking super, super sharp. Love that instant on and off effect you get. Looking really nice. These things are crazy, crazy bright. They really do light up the ground. All those nice roof lights, those are the LED 194 AUXITOs. They didn't send me those. I bought those with my own money. Yeah, the truck looks really super nice. I'll show you a clip during the day so you can get an idea what it looks like. But yeah, I'm super happy with these things, and makes the truck look a lot newer and a lot nicer. Show you the interior. Again, these are those AUXITO 194s. As you can see, this thing looks wonderful inside. I still have to put the AUXITOs in these side marker light things. For some reason, every single one of these is broken on this truck, so that'll brighten it up even further. I mean, you can see everything. It looks great. Here are what the lights look like during the day. See? Really, really bright. I'm very happy with these. Really good visibility. You can see, looking really sharp. So if you're looking to get LEDs for your truck, I think these AUXITOs are a great choice, because you can get them for a very reasonable price, especially those 54H style. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you want to get any of these lights, use the affiliate link in the description. It'll give you a discount on them, which is really nice. Thanks to AUXITO for sending me these lights to review. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.